Hi and welcome to my channel. Today let's make a quick weekly portion. And of course my kitchen is seasoned with love. I have a sweet crunchy salad. We have some peas and sweet corns and some carrot. Fried pork seasoned with suya powder. I have some baby tomatoes, eggs, tuna and mushrooms that are well spiced, and trust me, they taste really delicious. Now I have some pasta lasagna, which my ingredients are pasta, tomato base, onion, ginger, garlic, spices, fish powder. I have some shrimp powder in there. And then I have my chopped carrots and baby potatoes. I have cooked spiced coconut rice. Cook this with cayenne pepper, some coconut milk, and spices. I have shrimp powder in there as well, a little bit, and then some fish powder. Now I have my ingredients ready, and let's put this chopped carrots in the oven to bake at 21 minutes, as you can see, and then you do 10 minutes again. But make sure whilst this is baking you take it out for a while, and you stir it up in order for you to have all the flavors in every part of the carrots. Try this method for your carrots, and when the carrot is ready, it's tasting exactly like sweet potatoes. You would actually forget that that is even carrots. It tastes exactly like sweet potatoes. Now I have all the portions sectioned, and yeah, I am ready for the week, and I have all the food that I need. You just need to grab this whenever you want to just dash out, go to work, whatever. It makes your week really, really, really smooth without you actually wasting time preparing fresh food every day. Just do this to save time, especially if you're someone that who do not have time on hand. And as you can see, I got approximately 7 bowls, and yeah, I have my salad on the side, and this is your sign to start your weekly portion. Thank you for watching.